Hi there. This is so crazy. Hi guys, so I thought I would just show you how I do dressing gown curls because I've done it a few times and it's gone pretty well, and now I've just realised that I've jinxed it. Touch wood, touch wood. I'm no expert, but I just thought I'd show you how I do it and the results I get with this thick hair. So what you need to do is part your hair. I mean, I didn't really do it properly, I just did it roughly. It doesn't need to be too perfect or anything. You need your dressing gown cord and you want to place it as even as you can make it, but it does move. Sometimes you just can't help that. About there. Then you want to just tie one side up to stop it moving, but to be honest mine does move because I'm not an expert. My hair is actually freshly washed and dried, but some people like to do it damp hair. Personally, that just does not work for me because any sort of dampness on my hair turns into frizz. No thank you. But it is really hot, so I'm kind of sweating, so that might not help. You will also need hairbands. Okay, and it is pretty simple. You just take the first bit here, like a kind of triangle. If you're used to doing French braids, then that will be easy, but if not, just take a triangle of hair like that and then wrap it under the cord, and when you come under you want to grab another bit of hair, then wrap that round. Then do the same. You've got this piece of hair, come underneath, take another bit of hair and wrap round. And you just want to keep doing that until you get to the end. Another piece of hair. And wrap it around. Oh, have I already pulled it too far? Yeah, already made it uneven. Whoops. And then when you come to the end and there's no more hair to include, you just wrap that bit around. Have I got any other hair? No. Just wrap that around and then tie it with a hairband. And you're going to see when I let go it is going to drop a little bit, but then I'll show you what I do at the end to keep it tight overnight. Look right. So now I'm just going to do exactly the same on the other side. Take a corner bit, triangle like that, and wrap it round, and when you wrap it round, grab another bit of hair. Whoa, something in my eye. So yeah, got to the end finally and got this last bit of hair that I'm wrapping round, getting another hairband and tying it up. Gonna twisty twist like this and then pop it up in a princess layer bun. So peng, honestly, so beaut. And then let's see if that works like the other one. Or put it up like that, tight like that. I have done that for like showers. Stylish. So gonna leave it like this overnight. It's not the comfiest to sleep in, but it's not the worst, and I move around all the time in my sleep. and it obviously is not going to stay perfect. It doesn't really matter if it gets a bit looser. Tomorrow morning I know I've got a parcel coming as well, and I know I won't have taken them out by that time. So Mr. Delivery Man is going to be very lucky when I open the door tomorrow morning. Let me show you the back. It's probably nothing that you want to see. I will show you what it looks like in the morning. This is the finished pre-bedtime look. See you in the morning. Okay guys, it's the morning now. And as you can see, I am very shocked with how they turned out, because I would say this was the best time. Now we move on to the other side. This bit is long. What? So this is how they turned out. I was really happy with it, and they didn't actually drop much in the day, which is a bonus. Let me know if you try it in the comments down below, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.